Introducing NuSteam, the lightweight, handheld steamer that puts concentrated steam cleaning power right in the palm of your hand to bust through dirt, grime and grease for a clean, safe home. Just one tool and you're done for a clean that kills germs and bacteria to save you time, effort and money. Just fill and steam for a clean you can believe in. After all, a cleaner home is a healthier home. But going through bottle after bottle of chemical cleaners could be expensive. NuSteam is the natural, affordable way to clean and sanitize safely because you can just use ordinary tap water, which gets heated up and transformed into powerful, continuous steam and breaks down dirt, grime and grease and sterilizes with ease. NuSteam is scientifically proven to kill bacteria and viruses effectively for a true NuSteam clean. With NuSteam's multi-purpose attachments, you can clean virtually anything. Easily melt away baked-on grease, cooked-on food, and caked-on grime. Steam, clean, and polish. Wow! And sanitize all those surfaces that are constantly getting touched. Add the concentrator nozzle to bust grime around your taps. Don't touch that toilet, it's covered in germs you can't see. But clean it with NuSteam and under black lights you can see it's truly clean and the germs and bacteria are gone. Order yours now.